Hey everyone, Realtor Lor here, and I'm out here in the town of Addison. Over here at my newest listing, it's a hobby farm on 5 acres. It's 4 bedrooms total, 2 baths. It's actually kind of set up as a duplex actually, or you could live in it as one single family. So I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough tour of it. Town of Addison. We're out here at the street frontage here. It's the front of the house. It is propane gas heating. Driveway here. Relatively quiet main road. So main driveway. Got a massive, looks like 3-car garage. Massive 3-car garage there. So this property is going to be sold as is, where is, and sellers basically gonna take what they want, leave whatever else behind. So garage door here is a little dinged up. I'd go in the garage, but there's as you can hear, a dog inside. He's friendly, but I don't want to disturb him. So I'm just gonna give an outside tour right here. Not gonna go into the house for now, but the deck is plastic material. Got a nice porch up there. This is the backyard view. Got your septic here, right there. Your septic covers. That's the septic mound over there. Got one massive barn over there. 2 here, 3. So 3 massive outbuildings. So as I mentioned, it is on 5 acres. Nice and peaceful out here. I really don't have any neighbors. So I'll go into this first one here. So this one I think the owner uses for chickens, I think right now, or something like that. I'm not quite sure. Smells like chickens in here. But yeah. So that's that one. Walk around the side here. Got some cool looking ducks. So very nice yard. Definitely hang out here summer nights. He's got more chicken coops set up over here. So on the back side of this building is the other side. Door is broken. So sneak in here. And then this one is kind of just wide open for, you know, whatever you'd want to use it for. So currently these are little incubating things for chicken eggs or chicken babies or something like that. So here's this little overhang spot. Could probably park, you know, whatever you want in there. A lawn tractor or something like that. That's another chicken coop type building. This is the biggest barn on the property. And this one, he's got more chicken coops set up here, which you can easily remove if you didn't want them. This one is massive. And it's like your classic Wisconsin farm barn. Very sturdy looking still. Very strong timber. It's amazing. Yeah. Everything looks pretty stable. Floors are stable. So I think there's that way to get underneath. So here's like a trap door kind of deal right here. So there should be a downstairs somewhere, but I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, the outside, you know, the outside could use a little bit of work on the broken boards, but structurally it looks pretty good. So this is this is the underneath access to that barn. So you gotta go all the way around. So I think they might have had, like, the previous owner might have had bigger animals, you know, cows or whatever. So here's that silo. Part of that silo is right here. Kind of cool. No longer in use, so obviously. But this right here is the downstairs underneath the barn. So yeah, these massive tree posts. So if you wanted to have that farm lifestyle, this is the property. Just enough land for you. And then there's one last outbuilding left. A little bit of a walk to get there. So these are just more chicken coops. Just building some more right now. In process. So this is the last outbuilding here. It's got 2 sliding doors. One this side, one on the other side. Very nice structurally as well. They use this one obviously as a storage. Kind of store their stuff. And then more chicken coops. So lots of chickens. So again, your neighbors are pretty far. You know, got some down there, over there. No one to the back over here. Just a bunch of fields. And yeah, neighbors, closest one on that side is over there in those trees. So, a lot of privacy, 5 acres. You can raise animals. So, if you want this type of lifestyle, 40-45 minutes from the big city, just about, I would say 5 minutes right off of Highway 41 and exit D, I believe it is. Exit Highway D, where Allenton is, and then you make a right. So, very nice property. If this is the type of lifestyle that suits you, definitely contact me for a private showing. Reach out to me. See the description for my contact info. Let me know.